People, welcome again to the funny part. Today we'll be spending some time with reggae superstar Sean Paul. International act met up with Fat Joe and introduced him to Busy Signal, who hasn't been in America for many of years, after his legal problem back in the days. We'll be spending some time with them here in the funny part. And later on,
Nuffy, you know by fireplace where you live. I mean run boy, yeah. Rent?
MC Nuffy over the years has been clowning Foota Hype over his failed relationship with singer Aishana. Foota Hype met him for the first time in Florida recently. Of course, the funny part was there.
Where I'm really impressed is you rock with Busy Signal, you know.
Hey, yo, you know, Busy right outside here. I could bring him in here if you want, bro.
No way! Bring Biggie. Can you bring Busy Signal in?
You're right, yes, sir.
Man, it's man, Busy.
Yo.
Busy Signal. The man don't play. We got with the lyrics.
Yes.
Busy Signal.
Do it to the world.
Yeah.
Busy Signal, you see? Hey, man,
Yo, Busy Signal.
Joe. Yeah.
Yo, Busy Signal, big fan, Fat Joe. Big fan.
Big up, Fat Joe. I mean, big up.
Yo,
You
the man
never-
said,
you
the man
never
said, the
came
Busy
to
tune,
America.
but my next favorite, the
Yo.
Busy tune. So, I said, Busy there. I said, what?
Yeah. Hey.
But my next favorite, the
Yo.
Busy tune. So, I said, Busy there. I said, what?
Yeah. Hey, let me tell you something.
Yeah.
Busy, why you never come to America that often?
I'll be there. I'll be up there. I reach up enough time with them, man.
We was just discussing that.
Yeah.
You was discussing that too?
Yeah, just outside,
Early
man.
outside, yeah.
Hey, yo, Busy Signal, can you give us some of that Busy Signal lyric, you know?
Yeah.
You're one of the biggest in the game. You're the best in the game, man.
Hey.
Fat Joe, no, man.
Wind up your body and take it down low. Wind up yourself and tip to the flow. Sexy pose, dummy six dummy low. We'll sit back for me slow. And then you boom, boom,
Open it, girl, make it.
boom.
Sexy body, girl, make it.
Boom.
Shake out the place, make it.
Boom.
With the bag.
Boom. All right then.
Girl,
Hey.
you a proper thing, you know, like a thing shape and body hotter than where them have a ring. So me love you, pass ring, brain cell a ring.
Ting-a-ling-a-ling, we need the same thing. Girl, you have a bag, just make your body go. Lock down the body like we are so. Take it to the floor, girl, you up, you know. Hey, we say, Fat Joe, make them know. Wind up your body. Hey.
Sean Paul is well established all over the globe. Busy Signal has always been underrated, at least in Jamaica, because across the diaspora, his music transcends time and places. A very lyrical MC, but has always been misunderstood, and with his legal problems has seemed to stall his career. Yet Busy keep going. At least Busy is one of my favorite artists.
Like a thing shape and body hotter than where them have a ring. So me love you, pass ring, brain cell a ring.
Ting-a-ling-a-ling, we need the same thing. Girl, you have a bag, just make your body go. Lock down the body like we are so. Take it to the floor, girl, you up, you know. Hey, we say, Fat Joe, make them know. Wind up your body. Hey.
What?
Busy Signal one night, me hear you putting Bobby Gardens, Bobby Candace, and Java.
Yeah.
Fuck up the place. You fuck up the place.
Man, something with you, man. Up, man.
Oh, God, man. Hey, we always just put 100%. We always just give the energy. You know, do what we do. Bring that type of Caribbean vibe, that sunshine.
Bad lyricist
man.
here, a big bad lyricist.
Bad
Bad
lyricist, bro.
SB there, so.
Man, so
Yo,
Big
Busy
Fat Joe.
Signal, get busy. Thank you, my brother.
Respect, Fat Joe, man. And big up the whole terror squad for me too, you know.
straight up.
Thank you so
Yeah,
much.
man.
Man, people think. Salute, my G.
Yeah, man. Respect again,
Yeah.
that SB.
Man,
Man.
All right,
Yeah.
busy. Yo, listen.
Yeah, brother, give thanks, man.
Oh, that was beautiful. No, because
Yeah, bro.
busy, you know, his freestyles, his flows,
He's crazy.
ridiculous.
He crazy, bro. You know what I mean?
No, he crazy. And
Bro,
you know,
when we run rhythms in here, he'll build 10 songs on one rhythm. He'll build 10 songs and we be like, yo, that one is dope. And he's like, no, the next one. And he's just free with it. You know what I mean? So for me, one of the best in the game right now. One of the greatest.
Nah, he one of the best. He one of the best.
Now we're here with Foota Hype, who is walking into one of his favorite restaurants, about to look some food. But little does he know he's about to meet Nuffy, who has been calling his name for many years since his breakup with the famous Aishana. Here's the funny part.
Plant that. People say wicked man, yeah. See man, they cut Jesus slippers and thief in brief. See ya? See ya, people? I cut Jesus slippers and thief in brief. See, Nuffy they were for dead for a long time, but we now better kill him because I'm part of Mr. Chin. Mr. Chin savior. Remember our town is now Nuffy, and up by far place where you live. I mean run boy, yeah. Rent? At least release this. This make me my place look good. See that? Never police can send me one. Look on this blood clot. This is not rent. I am the property of the United States of America. Blood clot there. This. Oh, sorry for this. No, you can't talk. Never brought. But this eliminate rent. But you don't understand. This eliminate rent. You can't go immigration now. I want here. Now if you calm down in the night, you hear that? I want here. Calm down me rose here. Calm down with the nice, brother. Calm down with the nice. Yeah. But like this. Show me this stuff with that. We have a war. Can't share. We have a war. It never change. I get him a work. He can't work. No sell, no entertainment, no problem. Get. And you know the next thing I do too? Yellow man, you lock out. Yeah. Because them not going, them not run the front. What? That's a young. I saw them picture. And you just go and like that ticket there, look up on the phone, and just lock them. Post this song. Pay me now. They are now not with VFS. Pay me now. VFS done deal already. Pay me now. Yeah. I want 100 of it, mate. 150. Man, you buy crutches out. You can't tell me, girl, just take away. I want to hear you. Yeah, that's why you have a pay, because you're not paying no crutches, babe. I talk about nice, man. Rose and them have the hottest spot. It can't quiet. We're only at the star place. No, you have to get... No. You have to stop cheap out there, brother, career. You're too mean, man. You're the man meanie, man. Nuffy page not heavy like my page. Nuffy page are scrimmage, man. I want to, you know. You just, this is when you have to pay 2 bills now. Nuffy page are scrimmage. Can talk to Viral King with Nuffy page. Out! Yo, how Mr. Chin mean, someone? You can't train him for time. Nah, go and do it. I understand that VFS mean like therapy. What we are going to go with it? Watch out. No, you can't owe me. You better you cannot owe me. No, we're not doing that. No. People, why Mr. Chin so mean? Last night the man buy 18 backlash champion. You know my weight? You know anything? You know Foota stop ball on my price.
Oh, me buy that.
No, me see you last night about 12 bucks you buy, brother. Love me, man. You have to give me 150 of a post your brother video. Don't cheat by your brother career. No matter the girl could have dead. She dead already enough to give her nothing. She dead already. She don't need nothing. Your brother alive and one bus. That bumper clad played me. 150 like if you give me that. Stop ball me down. 100 people, why Mr. Chin so mean? No, what do you mean? No, post is $150 a post for a page. I'm not signed for you. Nobody post then you better you fight.